you had established not long ago two big priorities. One was more of a project around updating the company's messaging. And I find this happens from time to time with especially technology companies in my orbit, that you kind of outgrow the messaging that you started with. But that was related to your company's aspirations and roadmap related. So to the point of making it even easier for clinics to serve patients, you've got this sort of the roadmap and then this sort of messaging update. And why were those two things important at this particular? Why can't you just be happy with 50% of the market?
Yeah, that's a really good question. It kind of goes along with some of the challenges that this is probably common among all or many startups. When you're just starting out, it's really important, maybe even more so in healthcare, where the barriers to entry are a little bit higher than in some other areas, to be really focused on a specific problem, a specific niche problem, and articulating that and showing how you can solve that. And having that focus is super, super important. And at least it was important for us. And so all of our messaging was around this like very specific problem of informed consent for IVF treatment. That word was used a lot in all of our messaging. Over the years, people started using our platform for more and more things. And we were saying, oh yeah, we can do that. We can help you with that. We can help you with that. So we were actually doing a lot more in the market, but all of our messaging was still around informed consent. So now we're looking to actually take those things that we've kind of been adding the capabilities iteratively over time or helping specific customers with issues. And we're trying to build a new next generation version of our product that has all that stuff in there from the get-go. When we want to go and start talking to customers about that, we don't want to say we're informed consent, but we can do all these other things. We want to have a much more cohesive messaging platform about really what we're doing now. So it's more general, it's a little broader, and it's a little bit more, I don't know the right word to say here, but like,
yeah, it could be aspirational. It could be
aspirational. That's great.
I talk about this a lot, but you guys brought it to the table as well, which is we don't want to talk about just what we do. We need to be clear about what we do, but we need to talk about how we help the clinics with their big problem, which is, as we discussed, capacity. So tying, if you will, the company's brand promise to the fact that ultimately, yeah, we do these things, but it all adds up to you guys being able to do your jobs easier and having more patient capacity.